Welcome to the ScreenCraft tutorial, your ultimate tool for creating stunning screenshots in Unity. Whether you're developing a mobile game or any other type of project, ScreenCraft streamlines the entire process. ScreenCraft is designed to make capturing and customizing screenshots easier than ever. From adding promotional text to managing screenshot dimensions, this tool does it all. First, let's get started by importing ScreenCraft into your Unity project. Simply download the asset from the Unity Asset Store and import it like any other package. Once it's imported, you'll find it under the Tools menu. Taking a basic screenshot in ScreenCraft is as simple as pressing a button. Choose from 4 pre-created dimensions: 5.5, 6.7, 12.9, and 1 to 2, designed specifically for iOS and Android. Just click the button for the desired size, and your screenshot is saved directly to your chosen folder. Need a custom resolution? No problem. Tap Add New Resolution to create a new one. You can easily edit the name and size by clicking the Edit button, then click Done to save your new resolution. ScreenCraft makes managing resolutions a breeze. One of ScreenCraft's most powerful features is its easy-to-use promotional UI system. Add standout promotional text, customize the design, and use the free UI holder designs included with the tool. You can adjust the text's color, position, rotation, and scale, making your screenshots truly unique. After customizing the promotional UI and taking your screenshots, you might notice that some of the text in the screenshots isn't perfectly aligned. No worries! Simply click on the desired dimension label below each screenshot resolution, and your game view will instantly switch to the correct aspect ratio. This feature saves you time by allowing you to make slight adjustments to the UI for that specific dimension. Once you've made your edits, take the screenshot again, ensuring everything looks just right. The shortcuts provide 2 types: the editor shortcuts, which can be used within the editor and customized from Unity's built-in shortcuts, and the on-playing shortcuts. The on-playing shortcuts allow you to press a single button while playing the game in your editor, making it easy to create action screenshots as you capture the best moments in real time. Customize your screenshot workflow even further by selecting where your screenshots are saved. Choosing between PNG, JPG, and PSD formats, and enabling auto-index to avoid overwriting files. Thank you for watching. We hope this tutorial helps you get the most out of ScreenCraft. For more tips and updates, be sure to check out our documentation and stay connected with us. Happy capturing!